Hi, I'm Matthew from Knight Evans Estate Agents, and today I'm delighted to offer you this stunning detached stable block conversion in the heart of scenic Wierton in Boughton, Monchelsea. Come and check it out. So here we have the kitchen where we have beautifully exposed beams, vaulted ceiling and bags of potential to extend through to here, which is currently the garage. Wow, I mean, views truly do not get better than this. Overlooking the Weald of Kent, I mean, this is the perfect entertaining space. Thank you for looking at our video today. If you've got any sort of further questions or if you'd like to book a viewing, please do not hesitate to call our Maidstone office today.